Venezuela is home to Angel Falls, the highest waterfall in the world, with a height of 3,212 feet, 979 meters. The country is named after the Italian city of Venice due to its stilt houses built on the shores of Lake Maracaibo. Venezuela has one of the largest oil reserves in the world, significantly contributing to its economy. The nation's official currency is the Bolivar, named after the revolutionary leader Simón Bolívar. Venezuelan cuisine is diverse and includes dishes like arepas, pabellón criollo, and hallacas. The country boasts the world's largest tropical rainforest, the Amazon rainforest, which covers a significant portion of its territory. The Orinoco River, one of the longest rivers in the world, flows through Venezuela, spanning about 1,500 miles. Venezuela has more species of birds than any other country in the world, with over 1,300 identified species. The nation is rich in biodiversity, hosting unique wildlife like the capybara and the Venezuelan toad-tailed gecko. Venezuela was once one of the wealthiest nations in Latin America, primarily due to its oil production. The country has a unique variety of cocoa, known for its quality and flavor, making it a source for fine chocolate. Venezuela is famous for its beauty pageants, having won several Miss Universe and Miss World titles. The landscape features the Guiana Highlands, known for its distinctive tabletop mountains called tepuis. Venezuela has the largest oil refinery in the world, located in Amue, which is a part of the Paraguana refining complex. The country is rich in natural resources besides oil, including gold, diamonds, and iron ore. Caracas, the capital, is located at an elevation of about 3,200 feet, 1,000 meters, in a valley surrounded by mountains. The music genre known as joropo, a lively folk dance, is a significant part of Venezuelan culture. Venezuela has a tropical climate, with seasonal variations that affect its regions differently. The country has numerous national parks, including Canaima National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Simón Bolívar, a national hero, is known as El Libertador for leading several South American countries to independence. Venezuelans celebrate a festival called La Feria de la Chinita, which honors the Virgin of Chiquinquirá. The country experiences a high literacy rate, estimated at over 97%. Venezuelan baseball is very popular, with many players making it to Major League Baseball, MLB, in the United States. The country is one of the few nations where you can find the rare and endangered Orinoco crocodile. Venezuela has a unique traditional game called El Juego de las Bolitas, which is similar to marbles. The country is home to the largest salt flat in the world, the Sala de Hombre Muerto. Venezuela experiences an anti-cyclical climate where its seasons alternate with droughts and heavy rainfall. The national flower is the orchid species Cattleyas massii, also known as Flor de Mayo. The country has undergone significant political and economic turmoil in the last decade, leading to a humanitarian crisis. Venezuela's national sport is baseball, which is rooted deeply in its culture and tradition. Arepas are round flatbreads made from corn flour, which can be filled with various ingredients. Venezuela is home to Los Roques, an archipelago known for its stunning beaches and coral reefs. The ancient people of Venezuela were known for their pottery and craftsmanship, particularly the Temotocuicas. The country has a rich indigenous heritage, with tribes like the Yanomami and Pemen still preserving their cultures. Venezuela is known for producing some of the highest quality rum in the world, including brands like Diplomatico. The unique Andean condor, one of the largest flying birds, can be found in the mountainous regions of Venezuela. Venezuela has a vast network of rivers, many of which remain largely unexplored. The country is home to beautiful natural phenomena like the Catatumbo lightning, which occurs over Lake Maracaibo. The Venezuelan government has invested in social programs that focus on health, education, and poverty reduction. Caracas was founded in 1567 by Spanish explorer Diego de Lozada. The country has a diverse range of ecosystems, including savannas, cloud forests, and coastal beaches. Venezuela participated in the first official Olympic Games held in 1896. The capital city Caracas is known for its cultural institutions, including the Teresa Carreño Cultural Complex. Venezuela has various indigenous languages, including Wayu and Pemen, alongside Spanish, the official language. The unique cacao varieties from Venezuela are prized for their fine flavor, used in artisan chocolate production. The oil industry began to take off in the 1920s, establishing Venezuela as a major petrol-exporting country. Venezuela's geography includes the highest peaks in both the Andes and the Guiana Highlands. The country has several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Coro and its port. There is a significant amount of international migration from Venezuela, especially in recent years. Venezuelan art is vibrant, and artists like Carlos Cruz Diaz have gained recognition for their contributions. The popular drink, Papillon con limón, is made from panela, unrefined cane sugar, and lime, often served cold. The country's Christmas celebrations are popular, with traditional music and dances like taminang. Venezuela is known for its wide variety of tropical fruits, including guava, passion fruit, and mango. The country has a distinct natural monument known as Roraima, a flat-topped mountain that inspired the novel, The Lost World. Venezuela's La Grande Sabana is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and unique flora and fauna. The national bird, the Andean cock of the rock, is famous for its bright orange color and elaborate courtship displays. Venezuela has faced hyperinflation in recent years, dramatically affecting the daily lives of its citizens.